Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's tutorial, I'm sharing with you how to alter this Graphic 45 matchbook box that's fit for a queen. We'll use the Graphic 45 Princess Collection along with flowers and medals and chipboards and laces and bling. You'll find links to the Graphic 45 items that I use throughout this tutorial in the area below this video. You'll also find pictures and a full supply list in my blog. Enjoy the tutorial. We begin with a Graphic 45 deep rectangle matchbook box in ivory. The box measures 8.5 by 6.5 and is 3¼ inches deep, so it's large enough to hold a set of cards or a mini album. On the window, we'll be using an acetate sheet that measures 5 by 6. And for our papers, we'll be using the Graphic 45 Princess 12 by 12 collection pack. Use double-sided tape to adhere the acetate sheet to the window of your Graphic 45 box. Cut 4 strips of paper from your Graphic 45 Princess collection with the measurements that you see here. You'll cut 2 large pieces and 2 small pieces. Use the Clear Snap Decades dye ink pad in dark cashmere to ink around the edges. Ink around the edges of the box with the same ink as well. Now we're ready to adhere the strips to the top of our Graphic 45 altered box. We are going to miter the corners of our strips. It's an easy process that gives you excellent results. Apply glue to the back of your strip, but stay clear from the ends. You want to leave about 1.5 inches of space at the ends. Once you apply the strips, it'll look something like this. To miter our corners, we lift the ends together like you see me do here and cut through the strips at a diagonal. And once we finish mitering our corners, we glue the ends down on our box. We're now ready to trim our side pieces with the measurements that you see here. You'll trim 2 large pieces and 2 small pieces. I decided to go with coordinating papers of my Graphic 45 Princess collection for this part. We ink around the edges with dark cashmere, and on a side note, if you follow me on Instagram, you know this is the part where I'm dancing the night away. Well, more like crafting and trying to dance on my seat. Once we are done inking around the edges, we apply glue to our strips and add them to our box. So now we're ready to decorate. To embellish my altered box, you'll see me use Graphic 45 flowers, a Graphic 45 metal key, a Graphic 45 chipboard piece from the Princess collection, plus medals and bling and trims for my stash. This was such a fun project to make and so super easy to do. I hope that you find this Graphic 45 Princess Collection Altered Matchbook box easy to follow and, more importantly, easy to recreate. I hope that I've been able to inspire you in your own paper crafting projects. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment to let me know what you think of this project. I also want to thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you're not a subscriber as of yet, I invite you to click on that subscribe button and that bell icon. At Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making, I focus on paper crafting tutorials and project shares. Thank you so very much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video.